Newly remodeled kitchen. New modern light fixtures. New windows. Redid all the flooring. New paint. New skimming. New electrical. Went GFCI on every single plug, so tenants don't pop the electric. Bedroom, new flooring, walls, paint, new windows in here. Bathroom, new flooring, new paint everywhere, new windows in here. I had a mask on by myself. Stupid. Upstairs, we built this as a storage. So this is just a cold storage unit, or they can use it as an office during the summer. I don't really care, but good storage area. So was the attic. So we did these neat walls. You can see it's pretty tall. Here's my hand way up here. I still can't reach it. Did the beadboard ceilings. Then we used this weird textured paneling, and then just used pine board for the trim. Came out pretty good. 6-panel door. Didn't put any plugs or anything upstairs, just because I don't want tenants up here, other than just storage and stuff like that. That came out pretty good. Stairs back downstairs to the second floor. Redid all of this entranceway. Back to the bedroom. So I did all new windows in here, new paint, new floors, new trim. Living room. New windows, new floor, new paint and trim, new electrical. This is the kitchen. It's small. I got a new fridge coming in too. New stove, new cabinets, new countertops, new backsplash, all new uppers and lower cabinets, new hood. I put in a new cabinets down here too, new sink, new countertop, backsplash, new window, new door handle, all new diffusers, GFCIs everywhere. Put cool little modern light fixtures up there, like them. So that's our latest monthly rebuild. So just wanted to keep you guys going. Now this is in Lockport, and we're headed back to build in Gasport.